Hi, I'm Grace and welcome to the InTouch showroom. Now today we're going to take a quick look at our range of commercial grade purpose-built touchscreens. Right here we have the bezel-free desktop touchscreen range, available from 10-inch right up to 42-inch, and these are suitable for desktop use or mounting on a wall or monitor arm. They have a consistent, attractive design, all with edge-to-edge glass, brushed aluminium trim, and look fantastic, regardless of whether they're being mounted in portrait or landscape orientation. Now they come in a choice of dual touch and market-leading 10-point multi-touch. And if your software has audio, this entire range has high-quality built-in stereo speakers, so there's no need for clunky external speakers. Next, we have our bezel-free open frame touchscreen range, which is available in 17-inch and 21.5-inch. Now, these touchscreens are great if you're building them into joinery or kiosks or signage, because the recessed frame allows you to easily achieve a professional, attractive flush finish without an awkward edge to catch dust or grime. And finally, we have our industrial infrared range, which is available in 17-inch to 24-inch and has a unique panel mount design. Now these can be wall mounted, but also recessed into the wall, simply by cutting a hole the right size and pushing the touchscreen to secure it in from the rear. Now, if we can help with information on any of our touchscreen products for your business, please feel free to give one of our friendly team members a call on 1300 557 219.